Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your boy s10 Tech coming to you guys with a video on a review of the Samsung S10 Plus. This is my month from using it, how I feel about it, just, such and such things on it. I'm just taking a stroll because right now I am vlogging off the front face camera on it right now. You guys, let me know what y'all feel about the camera, the quality of using the front camera. It actually is a wonderful device. Don't get me wrong, I do miss my iPhone because I was coming from an iPhone SS Max, about 256 gig, but I got a 512 Samsung S10 Plus. I'm trying to get as much as 30-day reviewing this for you guys, what I feel about it, what's the pros and what's the cons. But we're gonna go with the first part. Is my bad. We're gonna go with the pros and cons, and the cons about it is Samsung software. I know they got the new One UI, but the software is still pretty not. I mean, it's pretty good. I know they changed it to something, but it's pretty decent. I still get a little bit of glitching and stuff like that on certain things that it frees up on me, but not as bad as the one software before that it had. It actually did a pretty good job on it, from compared to before. Because before it used to be terrible. It used to glitch all the time. Used to be messed up when I used to use it. But this One UI is actually perfect, software. I like it being a mixture of the new Android Pie before it gets to Q. I like that pretty much there. I'm actually going to turn in here and just do a quick little comparison. I'm keeping it stable as I can, but you guys let me know what y'all feel. Do y'all feel like this is pretty stable from being in there? By using it, do you feel like it's shaky or anything else like that? Just I'm just basically just driving around and just want to get your guys' opinion. One thing I could say, like I said, the cons about this, the pros and cons, the cons about this is the camera quality is the cons. The only thing I have with the cons, be honest with you, with this phone is coming from an iPhone. I'm so used to an iPhone. It's pretty tough to merge over to this because they got a lot going on. Now, one thing I do say is the Samsung, they're doing a really good job by putting a new software on there where you could take your iPhone software, wherever you apps you use, whatever you use it right on there. It comes right over to here. So you had a Samsung S10, S9, S8. Your apps and everything should be coming right over to it, no problem. One thing I could say on that part is that's the awesome part about it. But the one thing, the cons about that, is that when it comes over, you got to sort it out and put everything like how you had it. Now your screen, your screen part will be still there, but you just got to put everything back, put it in order that you had it. So if you took a screenshot of it, of your computer, your screenshot with your apps and stuff you use, and then send it to your other phone, you will see all the stuff like that on there. You will see this changes and everything on that part there. But that was one of the things that is a con on here, is like that part is just very terrible. It's like they're getting pretty close to being Apple worthy, being close to Apple, like with the software and everything else like that. But you guys, leave a comment below. What's your experience? If you have the device, what's your experience with it? If you don't, how you feel about it. What you think it could do better, that Samsung could do better with this device. You guys give me your opinion, what you think, and everything else like that about it. I head to my destination where I'm gonna do a couple more shots, but this is just the front camera. I was just blabbing and just wanted to tell you guys like what I feel about it. This you know, me moving around and see if it's steady, you know, see how good it is with, you know, giving this basically autofocus. Now that's autofocus on the device in the front end, so I'm gonna just put that there. We'll see how good it autofocus. I mean, it do pretty good, don't get me wrong, it do pretty good. You guys just let me know, leave a comment below and just let me know what y'all think about the front camera of us. But we're going to switch over to the front. This is the front camera. We're going to switch over to the rear and just get y'all opinion. I'm going to shoot some shots. I'm going to take a couple pictures and put them up, but I'm going to shoot some shots with the phone. Me holding the, you know, basically just trying to get some good shots of the phone. You know, I'm going to use a different camera for this because this is just the front camera we're using from the, so I can't use this camera just to use it to everything. But let's get to shots and let's go. All right, guys, that was just a quick pan over of just, you know, I'm going to put up some screenshots. Not screenshots, but some shots I've took with the camera. I'm going to take some pictures I'm going to put up that I shot raw with this. One's from the 3 camera selections, you know, the one that's straight focus, normal, and ultra wide. I'm going to put those up on the screen also. One thing I could say, this is a really awesome camera to vlog off. If you could tell, if you don't know, now you know, I am actually literally vlogging from this. I'm inside my car vlogging. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a walk back and forth just to show you. All right, guys, this is the rear camera of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Plus, this is a 1 month review. I had to retake this because I said 10 months. So I'm retaking it. This is just a normal walk, just with the Samsung S10 Plus. Just the back camera of it. I can't see myself, so I'm trying to see if I get, you know, a good part of it. But I am trying to do a part to see if I like it or not. But this is the 1 month. But this, my hands, I'm just gonna move back and forth and see if it stays stable with me. And I might do a jog and see if my, you know, the stable of the back camera. Like it's for a vlogging camera, but y'all guys tell me, because I'm pretty much shooting from the back, so I can vlog from the front or the back, but you guys can give me your opinion. I'm going to do a slight jog, and you just let me know how you feel and everything else like that about this device. So that's one of the things I wanted to do to review on this device. So I might do a slight jog and everything else like that. So I'm going to do like a little jog real quick for you guys. Just let me know what you feel like, what you see, if it any shaking or anything else like that on this device from the back camera. So I'm gonna just move back and forth. You see any difference? This is just me reviewing, but hold on 1 second. I'm gonna see if I hear the sound in this. All right, guys, this is just me jogging with the rear camera. This, you know, just in case you want to use this for vlogging and jogging and stuff like that. So this is me jogging. Just do a quiet little jog right there and see if it stays stable. You guys let me know what you think, because I really, like I said before, I can't see in the back. The front of it is just, you know, all back. So I'm actually going to work on getting something where you can put up top to see the back. But you guys let me know what you think. Do you feel like this is a great vlogging camera? And so far, like I said before, I use this for vlogging, so all my videos you've seen up so far from this point was all created from this Samsung device. To get this shot with the device, it wasn't created with the Samsung device, it was actually created with a different camera. But you guys let me know. Leave your comment below. But I just wanted to put that in there because my ending is going to be on the one part. It's going to be on there. So actually, it's going to be on this part. So like, sub, subscribe, like, sub. Let me know your comments. Let's talk down below. This is just my month review of the Samsung S10, what I feel about it. And next part, I'm gonna be actually get into you guys, you will see in the beginning I'll be doing the pros and cons about it. So I did one part with the pros, with the cons. So I'm actually going to say the pros and the things about it. So thank you for watching. Catch you on the next video, and let me know what you guys want to watch. Want me to do next. But catch you on the next video. Peace. All right, guys, I'm sitting here, and I'm going to tell you guys the cons for this device. One thing I can say, the cons on this device is vlogging. This is a really, really great camera to vlog from. Not kidding you guys, if you want to start off your first video, let me buckle up. If you want to start your first vlogging, because I'm actually, this is just like a vlogging style review about my Samsung S10. That's why I'm going to do my reviews and everything on devices. So if you like that, leave a comment below and smash that like button and subscribe and share it to your people if you like that. But if you really like this vlogging style review of devices, unboxing and stuff like that, you guys let me know. Let's give it a try. Just see if you like it. If you like it, just let me know. We could talk more on it, and we could do a couple things, and I can just show you my vlogging styles and everything else like that. But you guys, let me know. So now, all right. But the pros on this is it's a very great camera. It is actually the front and the back camera. You can vlog for any style. I'm actually going to try to get a kit to vlog off so I can see myself in front, especially when I want to shoot some videos on the Samsung device. Not Samsung device, but other devices, or even vlogging about myself, or just sitting in front of the camera talking to you guys. I'm just going to try to show you guys what can I do. This is one of the things I wanted to do. I just actually took some time and just did a 1 month review. And I wanted to put this up for you guys and vlog about this. Like I said before, the pros about this is it's a great device. Coming from an iPhone, I'm not gonna lie, so it was kind of hard a little bit, but getting used to the device, like setting it up the way I like it. All the apps work just the same. Gaming on this, if you want to see gaming on this, let me know. Leave a comment below if you want to see me game. I'm a screen share and game on there to show you how it is. It is buttery smooth. I'm not going to even tell a story. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But let me put the seatbelt on the right way. I have it on the wrong way, so you guys can see if I'm vlogging, driving, and everything. So this is a really great gaming phone. And one thing I do like about it is, if any business guys out there, if you have a business, you can use this device for business. One thing I do like about it is when you plug it up to a monitor and use the DeX, it is a wonderful device to use. One thing I do think they should try to get, so I could do much better on a signing. You can sign things and documents on here, but one thing, like if you try to do an application, you actually can do application from here. So if this is your only port of a computer, actually, I would use it, because if you're going to pay $1,300 to $1,500, use this computer. But the bad thing about it, certain apps or certain video type of jobs would not come through on it. If Samsung work on that for the S10, for the Note 10, and be able to use that DeX feature on there and do a lot much better, especially with the Samsung Fold. I am trying to work on getting that. So you guys let me know on the comment below if you want me to get that. But this is just something I just want to vlog off and just show you guys. But the pros of it was just basically, it's a great camera all around. Great phone, great camera, great device. They did a really awesome job on this device. Like I said, on the cons, the only thing I have problems with was just froze up, just one time on me. But everything else, I really can't say anything bad too much about this phone. This phone is really pretty good. So coming over from an iPhone, I do miss it, but there's things on here that I can do that I love. And that's like hooking up for the DeX. Now, DeX is one of the things that I don't really see too many people doing, so I'm gonna be shooting a review for that. But like I said, guys, in the ending, I catch y'all in that part, showing you a little bit more about the device.